Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday, January 11th, 2015. We've got a winter weather system now approaching the heartland from the southwest. Temperatures have dropped just a degree or two, but a very critical degree. We are now below freezing in Cape Girardeau, 31 degrees here in town, 31 Poplar Bluff, and low 30s from Mount Vernon through Carbondale. You factor in that wind out of the south at 5 to 10, the wind chill 21 in Cape, mid-20s from Carbondale through Poplar Bluff, and 32 in Union City. So the Weather Service has continued a pair of advisories for the heartland. First off, the winter weather advisory outlined in the areas of purple. This is going to be lasting through Monday morning, where we're expecting about 1/10 of an inch of sleet and freezing rain throughout the course of Sunday and into Monday morning. Also, the freezing rain advisory outlined in pink. That does include Cape Girardeau, Poplar Bluff, Mount Vernon, and we could see light accumulations of freezing rain as well. About 1/10 of an inch is possible. And Kentucky, Tennessee, we haven't forgotten about you guys. You're just going to see a cold rain, barring maybe a few pellets of sleet when this first starts falling. Otherwise, just cold rain for western Kentucky and Tennessee. And that's the case right now. We're starting to see some light rain now move into southern Obion County and Lake County, and some steady rain now beginning to fall in Mississippi County, Arkansas, into southern Missouri, into the Missouri Boot Heel. We have had reports of a wintry mix from Paragould through Jonesboro and points westward through Batesville and Searcy, Arkansas, and that is heading in our direction, along with some very thick cloud cover. You can see the very slow southwest to northeast movement. Now, it's going to take a while for this to actually reach the ground once it moves into the heartland, thanks to evaporative cooling. Now, what that will also do is take our temperatures down another couple of degrees. So we're going to have to watch that thermometer very closely as some of that sleet, freezing rain begins to fall across the heartland. So let's go hour by hour with Precision Cast. Let's actually back it up. We kind of moved forward through the afternoon. Let's take it to about 10 a.m. Here's that chance of some wintry weather for southeast Missouri. And as we go throughout the early afternoon, right around 2, you start to see some possibly good news. Looks like some mostly rain across the heartland. The thing about it is we're going to be right at that critical number, 32 degrees. And if that ice accumulates, we could be running into some issues. Only light accumulations are expected, but that could cause some problems with your untreated roads, your sidewalks. You'll also probably have to scrape some of that ice from the windshield as well. Been in constant communication with some of the people on social media. Some of them are concerned about power outages. Not that kind of event. You would need much more substantial ice accumulation to start running into some issues with that. As you go through the evening, a continued chance for the rain. Temperatures look like they're going to warm up into the mid-30s. And as we go through the overnight into early Monday morning, looks like a continued chance of some light rain, possibly a few flurries mixed in as the upper wave moves through the heartland and brings another cold shot of air to the heartland. So let's go throughout the next 6 hours. Very critical 6 hours ahead. We're going to see that sleet and freezing rain from 9 a.m. through lunchtime for Cape Girardeau. The temperature's right at freezing with that south wind at about 7 to 12 miles an hour. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great Sunday and stay safe.